Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems involving derivatives of battery life can be tricky, but we will solve this specific rate of change question in under 60 seconds right now. The derivative p prime of t represents the instantaneous rate of change of the battery life at a specific moment in time, not an average over an entire time interval. Since p prime of 10 equals 1.5, the battery life is increasing at an instantaneous rate of 1.5% per minute at exactly 10 minutes. Boom! Options C and D describe average rates, while B describes the second derivative. Only option A correctly identifies the instantaneous rate at the specific time, so that is our winner. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid confusing average rates and ignoring units. Always use instantaneous values and verify the time.